If you asked for a good update, there it is. This project is all about face product, and in the bronzer category we have only one candidate left, and it's Hoola from Benefit, and here's what it looks like now. As you can see, we have a ginormous pan. I've used it 30 times since the last update, and I think I can finish it for next update. Of course, it's starting to be difficult to get the product, and this bronzer comes with this flat brush, and you would think that it would be ideal to get the edges of the product. Not at all. I don't know what it is, maybe it's because this is too short, but it's not practical at all. So I still use my regular bronzer blush to get the product. I don't really like repressing products, so if I can finish it without repressing it, I will do that. And otherwise, if I have to repress it, I'll take a picture and I'll show you what it looks like next time. But I think I'm not taking too much risk by saying that it will be finished next month. As you may know, there's no face powder left in this project, so we can jump directly onto the highlighter part. And this past month, I've been doing what I had already been doing the previous months, meaning that I used several highlighters every day on my cheekbones, on my brow bone, and on my inner corner. The highlighter I used the least this past month is this loose highlighter, the only loose one in this project and in my collection. I've used it only 7 times, which is not surprising, granted that it's the only one that I had already reached my goal on last month. My goal is to use every highlighter at least 50 times, and I was at 54 times last update, but I kept this one in the project to try to finish it because it's the only highlighter that I think I have a chance to finish this year. But since I had already met my goal on this one, I was prioritizing the other ones in this project. And in total, I'm now at 61 uses on this highlighter. Then we have Marilou from the Balm. I had to use this one 9 more times to reach my goal of 50 uses, and I've used it 11 times, so it's another goal met in this project. I am at a total of 52 uses on this highlighter, and I used this one mostly on my eyes. Then there's this highlighter from Manakadar. I was at 43 uses last update, so I only had to use it 7 times to reach my goal, and I've also used this one 11 times, so it's another goal met in this project. I am at 54 uses in total, and I used this one mostly on my brow bone. Now it's time to talk about the real challenges, the first one being this highlighter from Benefit Tickle. I was only at 34 uses last update, so I was 16 uses away from my goal, but I managed to use it 17 times this past month, so I'm at 51 uses, and I have also reached my goal on this one. I really like it all year round, but I think for summer it's a very fun one, and I was very pleased to use it often. And the hardest of the bunch was this highlighter, also from Benefit, Cookie. I was only at 23 uses last update, but I managed to use it 25 times this past month, so I also met my goal on this one. I'm at 52 uses, and I'm pretty thrilled to have managed to reach my goal on this one, which was the hardest for me. I'm glad to be done with this one. To me, it's not a very summer appropriate highlighter. I don't think it goes very well with my bronzer, especially a warm bronzer like the Hoola that is in this project and that I wear every day. I wouldn't say that this highlighter is fully icy, but nonetheless, it's icy leaning enough to sort of clash with my bronzer, and I think I'm gonna take a break from this one in the following weeks. And with all that, I'm at 71 uses of highlighter this past month. I'm really glad I reached my goal on every highlighter, and now I think I'm gonna take a little break from them and that I'm gonna start to use eyeshadows as inner corner shades again. So we're left with only this loose highlighter in the project and this bronzer. And just for fun, I'm gonna add this contouring palette from Essence. I've only started to use it a month ago, so there's no way I can hit pan on this, but it's very powdery, and I don't know if you can tell, but I already can see the shape of the pan. So I just want to see how it looks after another month of use. And I think it's funnier than just having the two other products in the project. So I will see you next month for what will most likely be the finale of this project. Thanks for watching. Bye!